You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FireSpring. FireSpring, a website builder review for non-profits and small businesses. FireSpring is a website builder platform specifically designed with non-profits and small businesses in mind. It provides a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for creating professional, functional, and visually appealing websites. Its strength lies in combining user-friendly design with powerful community engagement tools, making it a compelling option for organizations looking to expand their digital footprint. One of FireSpring's key features is its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, enabling users to easily personalize their websites without requiring any coding knowledge. The platform offers a wide selection of mobile-responsive templates specifically curated for non-profits, businesses, and service providers. These templates are clean, professional, and offer the flexibility to modify layouts, colors, and content to perfectly align with your brand identity. The editing tools are remarkably user-friendly, empowering even beginners to create polished, professional-looking websites quickly and efficiently. What distinguishes FireSpring from other website builders is its focus on engagement tools tailored for non-profits and community-centric organizations. The platform integrates features such as donation processing, event registration, and volunteer sign-up forms seamlessly within the website. This streamlined integration simplifies the process of connecting with your audience and achieving organizational objectives. For small businesses, FireSpring also provides tools for lead generation, customer engagement, and social media integration. Furthermore, FireSpring includes built-in SEO, search engine optimization, tools designed to improve your website's visibility in search engine results, along with analytics to monitor website performance. The platform also offers email marketing functionalities, allowing you to directly engage your audience through newsletters and updates. While FireSpring excels in serving its target audience, it's important to note that its feature set is specifically geared towards non-profits and community-driven organizations. Businesses with more complex e-commerce requirements or advanced technical needs might find its capabilities somewhat limited. However, within its niche, FireSpring offers a comprehensive and well-rounded solution. In summary, FireSpring is a highly recommended option for non-profits and small businesses seeking a user-friendly, all-in-one platform to build and manage their online presence. Its emphasis on engagement tools, professionally designed templates, and ease of use make it a dependable choice for organizations striving to enhance their online reach. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore FireSpring further and determine if it's the right fit for your specific needs. Hopefully, this review provides clarity on whether FireSpring aligns with your organizational goals.